Hello, hello, David Reactors. I'm Tom Clinton, back with another Robo Reaction Pool video. And we're going to do this now. My computer just started working for me. Thank you, computer. Can you get name of the computer down in the comments? Sorry. But yeah. Finally, I'm going to react to markiplier Sound Effects Challenge with Taylor Problems and Matthias. Now, I know Matthias did a video just like this, but I don't want to react to it because I've already seen it. And when I saw markiplier when I said, wait, do not react on yet. Wait until you react to it. I tried to react to it like 3 days ago, I forgot. I tried to react to it 2 days ago, forgot. Tried to react to it yesterday, my computer started being a jerk and stopped working. React to it today, perfect timing. Hope my computer doesn't break. Man, that's good. But yeah. So look, I'm at this here like midway because I have ramen cooking outside in my kitchen, and I gotta like take off the oven when it's done boiling. So yeah. Before the video, as always, I'd like to tell you all, thank you so much for listening to the channel. It really means a lot. It's really helpful. It's really keep on going. And we'll get the video started. I need the face cam up. Let me make sure the sound is all the way up. And let's do this. And the first thing we're reading by is markiplier's beautiful face.
Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier and welcome to the Sound Effects Challenge. If you've ever seen Whose Line Is It Anyway, you know how this game goes. They're going to make sounds for us. I'm going to be getting sounds from Ryan. He's going to be getting sounds from Matt. Matt and Matt are together. And then we're going to rotate out and see if we can't make an improv scene out of this make sense, which we didn't last time, but it was funny anyway. Big, floppy,
Everyone with a flare there with like nothing on his head, it's also all in the video, it's not my fault.
Big floppy dick. Cool. That's one of the things that happened. Okay, so if that didn't make sense, I'll summarize it better later, but we gotta get going. So, in the city of Los Angeles, a bank robber. You finished that. Okay, premise. Bank robber finds out before robbing a bank, he accidentally drank laxatives. Oh, okay. You want to be the bank robber? I'll be the bank robber. You be the bank robber. Okay. Hello? Wrong number. Hello, can I help you, sir? Oh! A gun! Oh, Jesus, why? Ow! You mean business? Yeah. It's so funny.
One minute, I got my computer back behind me, and this angle's not good. Yeah, again, I run that press record button. Okay, here we go.
You mean business? Yeah. It's so funny, but it hurts. I think I'm drinking all my blood. Hang on. It's really tasty. I got Jello blood. It's great. Alright, that's good. Alright, give me all the money. Okay. You've already shot me, so why not? Here you go. Very noisy. Don't mind it though. Thank you. It's just giant Mario coins. That's all we got this time. Alright. I'm still bleeding profusely and it hurts, but you know. Is that me or you? I think that's it. Uh-oh. I think... Yeah, the cops are coming. You better get out of here. But I think I drank laxatives. That's not my problem. Gunshot. My problem. Ow, why are they shooting me? I wasn't shot enough. Oh. I don't... blood. My Jello blood. Uh-oh, my stomach. Oh! So I'm shitting my pants. Oh, you're shitting your pants? I'm dying. I've got like 17 gunshot wounds. I'm stitching you up. Why? Screw you. Oh. See? Thanks for the kisses.
What the?
Oh, hey, come on now.
I gotta like lower my camera from my face. Good enough. Oh god! Yeah.
I'm ticklish down there, so I laughed so hard. There's a cat in here. Oh. I'm gonna kill it.
What the?
Oh, I got it first, apparently. I
And I was gonna say it anyway.
Uh-oh. I should get out of here. But I drank a lot of laxatives, so I can't run.
Apparently I drank laxatives too.
Sorry. Unfortunate. Uh-oh. Now me.
What is this?
Good thing the cops are gone now.
I'm gonna just cock all the shells out of this gun because I really don't actually want to shoot you. Hang on here. One more, I think. Oh, no.
You shot me.
Yeah, now we're even, bitch.
Spilling out all the laxatives I drank out of my stomach, the hole in my stomach. That's good because now they won't go through my digestion.
Yay, everything turned out great in the end.
All right.
Friends for life.
Have a good day. You're a high school musical director, and on opening night,
you're the only... No, can't be the only cast member. There's two. Okay, it goes perfectly well. Nothing goes wrong.
nothing goes wrong.
Except for
We'll
something
resolve things that go wrong perfectly.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, we ready?
No, there's an earthquake.
There's an earthquake.
Okay. But you want to keep the play going. Okay. Really elaborate.
No matter what happens, we're trying to keep that play going.
Hello!
Well, who are you again?
I'm Ben. You're Kevin. I think I remember your name.
I am the director.
Yes.
Are you allowed to be talking to me?
I hope so. I was just gonna say, this play is going really well, and I enjoy the work
You're
that
in
you
the
put
play.
into it. Am I?
Get in the play!
Okay, I'm sorry.
Say
The ground is shaking.
no, that's just a leaky pipe over there.
Oh, okay.
Tighten up the pipe, let me. There you go. Tighten that pipe off.
Something.
What's going on?
No, not the chicken.
I'm sorry.
What do I do with this?
Here, you take it.
What the heck?
Just.
What the?
Okay.
What's your first line of the play? Pause, everyone.
Okay. First line of the play.
Hey, come on.
I thought this was supposed to be going perfectly fine.
You were supposed to get shot by an
Shit,
arrow.
literally.
And that.
Oh no! Again with the shits.
Stop that.
I'm sorry.
We're trying to have a cooking. No.
I got a boner now.
People are going here.
I can't go on stage with this boner. Maybe if I get a super boner, I could turn the crowd in our favor.
How would that work? How? That was the door. I'm going
To the school auditorium, please.
Wait a minute, I think I'm Robinson. Give me a minute. Wait a minute, and yes, I took my hat off. It was not helping.
Check the doorbell to this school auditorium.
It's the nurse. She's here for you.
She's here for me. The super boner?
I'm here to make your boner all better.
Okay. Oh! Yes! Oh, tastes so good! Yes! Oh, yay! More boners!
Don't touch me. In an underwater world, Aquaman has to save
The Titanic.
Okay, this is okay. Circa 1910.
Wait,
Yeah, hold on.
You're Aquaman. I'm the Titanic. Okay, I'm Aquaman.
No, you're a survivor on the Titanic.
Yeah.
There's one survivor left on the Titanic underwater.
There you go.
Okay.
You're Aquaman.
Okay. That's like. Hey! I kind of guessed you needed some trouble. My fish friends told me.
Oh, the water is flooding in the room. Shut the door. Shut the door.
Sword. I'm trying to fight the water off. Okay, I got all the water into this bubble, so there's no more water.
I got arthritis and my joints are squeaking.
Oh, the bubble popped. I need another air bubble for you. Here's an air bubble so you can breathe.
Thanks. I just had a brain aneurysm.
And I'm getting a signal. One of my fish friends is telling me you're the one responsible for this disaster. Get on my super motorbike, water bike. Okay, I'm gonna run you over.
drop my spoon. I'm dropping all my spoons.
Oh, yo.
Now he's on a boat.
Okay, I'm getting them off. Okay, there we go, I'm off. Whoa! These waves are a little more rocky than I remember.
Yeah, we're up on the
I
surface.
forgot how mad I was at you.
Oh, Barry!
I can probably take you there so you can survive and be accounted for justice, but this thing is sinking. Help! Wait a second, I forgot I can swim over here. There's my bike. Bye-bye.
There's a cow on that boat, and he's mooing.
Oh, we gotta get you on that boat.
Get me on the boat.
I just killed the cow.
Drowning.
Fuck that cow.
I'm drowning. Oh no.
I shot you. And now I'm hitting you with the sword.
Stop it.
Justice.
I shot myself. Stop.
I'm stabbing you in the throat. Justice. Justice.
There's water going on my lungs.
Justice. Justice. Oh no. Oh, a boner. By all power in me, I pray all my fishy friends to attack this man in the name of my... Ow! What's going on? Oh, something's happening.
I'm getting scared.
Oh.
Now I've got a boner.
Always in the morning, guys. Always. Every single time.
I don't know what happened that you got a boner. I've only given him boners.
I heard King. Ding. He means bonus.
He's in a suit of armor. He got it the right way.
Oh my god.
Santa Claus is going through a divorce. But when he shows up to court,
He has a baby with him.
You know what's my ramen. Oh yeah, ramen's done. Also not sponsoring. Let's finish this.
That's not his.
Wait, so
And he's also drunk.
Mrs. Claus.
So you're saying I'm Mrs. Claus.
He's getting a divorce, but he shows up drunk with a baby.
Okay.
I can't believe that you won't let me drink anymore.
Order in the toilet.
I'm stressed, those air pop bubbles. I get real stressed.
Excuse me.
Have you been drinking again? That stresses me out so much.
Every second of my life. Someone take this baby.
Sorry, my popper ran out of batteries.
You threw out the baby.
Oh, sorry.
What is the labor?
Need to know I had sex with Rudolph, and I'm pregnant with his baby.
Wait, I
Here
hear
it
the
is.
telegram.
You know what I mean, Rudolph, baby?
Wait, were you betting on me?
Yeah, you didn't get the gist of that. Hang on, I'll kill this. That's what I think of you.
I'm gonna drink some more.
Sorry, my blood pressure is getting really high, apparently.
You're sounding really to my wife. Glug.
You're one to talk.
Blood, smash.
Ow! I think. Boy, that was a travesty, wasn't it?
Yes, it was more. But it was hilarious, so I couldn't let it go. But yeah, that video was pretty hilarious. Well, love this video. If you like this video, I give it a thumbs up. If you're over there or down there. And up there, why are you over there and up there? And also, if you want to know me everything out, why don't you subscribe button? You don't have to even want to, but if you want to, why don't you over there or down there? I don't know, check over there and up there. It's not the first thing I said. This whole thing started off. Remember all the yes and guys all. Bye! Oh god.